If someone asks you today, is the solar worth it for investment?
Nawala ng power, tapos hindi ako makatulog, mahirap talaga. Alam mo yun, mainit.
Good morning, everyone. By the way, my name is Ness of Solana For You Sales and Marketing Representative, and we are here today sa isa ka homeowner dari sa Leganes to know their story about their journey for solar. But before anything else, sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Can you introduce yourself, sir, with our viewers?
Yeah. Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Romel Tan. I'm originally from Luzon. I'm here in Iloilo for about 13 years now. Before, I used to rent a house, and now I able to get one of a unit here in Deca Leganes. When I transfer here in Deca, there are instances na at night, at around 10, 11 in the evening, nawawala ng power. Tapos nagkakaroon ng power 2, 3 a.m. Sa gabi lang ako nandito. So, very important sa akin yung merong power kasi mainit and then hindi ka makatulog ng maayos. So, yun yung nag-trigger actually. And then, Barend introduced me yung, yung setup. So, initially, in-offer niya sa akin is the grid type only. But sabi ko sa kanya, what I want is
protection.
Yes, yung continuous na I have power. Hindi ko kailangan. Hindi naman sa hindi kailangan, but definitely lahat naman gusto yung makatipid, ano? Pero sa akin, mas importante yung continuous yung supply ng power rather than yung tipid.
Yes,
diba?
Savings. So, you're looking forward for the brownout protection.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
That's perfect, man, sir. And sir, before you had your solar installation here in Leganes, how did your high bill affect your daily life or your monthly survivals?
Actually, doon sa previous na house ko, my electric bill is around 5,000 to 7,000. Yun yung average namin kasi kasama ko kasi yung son ko, and then dalawang aircon yung gumagana. Although nung nalipat ako rito kasi nagte-training siya, so isang aircon lang yung madalas kasi sa gabi. So the highest na ko dito is around 2,700 yata.
So how was it your bill today, sir?
The last bill is 499.
Wow, it's a very big savings.
Pero ngayon, na month of May, wala akong bill na dumating. Wow. I don't know why. Pero 1,600 o 2,700, yun na nandito na ako. And then, nakabit yung aking solar setup, naging 399.
Wow.
And then, sumunod is 599.
Oh, that's
And then, eto, yung pang port, wala pa.
And sir, can you tell us yung capacity ng inverter ninyo na kinuha sa Solana, and then yung battery, and how many panels that you have here?
Okay, as assessed ni Barend, kasi nagpunta siya rito, he checks everything, and then sinabi niya sa akin, based on the consumption, I need, actually 3 point something lang yung sinabi niya sa akin that time. So sabi ko, but I choose the 6 kilowatt. 6 kilowatt inverter, 200 AH na battery. With regards sa solar panel, 11 panels ng 590 watts yata ang each. Ang panels ko is parang around 6.49 kilowatt yung total capacity.
Okay, so that's good to hear, sir. And sir, what were your biggest concern before you decide to invest on solar? And those concern was properly addressed when you talk to our sales representative?
Yeah, actually naman yun nga, as I mentioned, yung brownout. I experienced that for 3 consecutive weeks. 2 to 3 days a week, nawawala ng power. At nawawala ng power ng ganung oras. Yung sabi ko nga, 10 or 11 in the evening. Sa araw, wala akong pake kung wala ng kahit buong araw, walang kuryente dahil wala ako rito di ba? Pero yung sa gabi, yun yung that's the one na nag-trigger. And the last time, yun nga, na nawala ng power, tapos hindi ako makatulog. And then, ayun, the next morning, I go dun sa office ninyo. So sabi ko kay Barend, installed, how much I going to pay for the down payment, what are the terms? So, yun, happy ako. Then, the next day, Everything is installed. So wala na akong naging problema.
That's good to hear, sir. And sir, after your solar system was installed, what is your first positive thing that you experience in your life?
Yun, wala nang brownout. And minsan makikita ko yung mga neighbors ko lalabas, wala daw power, pero hindi ko naramdaman. Those are the things. So hindi ko naramdaman. And besides that, kasi yung family ko was nag-visit kasi dito last week of April hanggang first week of May, no? So syempre, 'di ba, sanay sila ng nasa Baguio, so yung climate is malamig. So pagdating dito, ayun, centralized aircon ako. Yung 3 aircon gumagana lahat. So at least hindi ako napahiya sa kanila. No, walang magiging problema. Hindi ako nag-iintindi ng sobrang laki yung magiging bill ko or whatever, 'di ba? Kasi ang daming appliances, especially the aircon na umaandar. So hindi ko naanuhan 'yon.
So you didn't even mind for turning on your aircon for the whole day because you have that power from the sun directly.
Yes.
Okay. And sir, if someone asks you today, is the solar worth it for your investment? And would you tell us?
The solar investment, it's a must. For me, kasi yes, merong yung one-time cost na medyo malaki, pero eventually mapapansin mo rin yan na tawag dito, yung benefit na naibibigay sa'yo, especially dun sa yung electric bill mo, bumababa, hindi mo nararamdaman, no? Pangalawa is yung walang brownout. Di ba? Walang brownout. You have a reserve energy anytime, di ba? So, even in ang gusto ko, even yung bumabagyo talaga, tulad nung nakaraan, di ba, dire-diretso ang ulan. Dire-diretso yung ulan, but yung pag ng battery, still, walang nagbago eh. Pagdating ng 12 noon, yung battery ko is napu-full. So, sabi ko maganda yung pagkakasetup.
For you, sir, you will truly introduce solar for everyone.
Yeah. Actually, minamarket ko na nga yan eh. Sisingilin ko nga si Baren eh. Actually, there are instances pa nga na parang electrical engineer is punta rito sa akin, nagtanong ka na, kasi dito lang siya sa banda dyan eh. So, nagtanong siya, sinabi ko sa kanya, ito yung mga advantages, disadvantages, kasi may upfront na na cost, di ba? Yun lang naman ang nakikita kong disadvantage eh. So, syempre, pagka talaga medyo, sabi nga natin, wala kang gagastusin na immediate, mahirap talaga. Hindi mo maiisip talaga yung Pero kung kaya namang down payment, ako talagang inaano ko sa kanila na maganda. Actually, yesterday, kausap ko yun sa accounting namin. Sinabi ko nga rin sa kanya. Kasi nagrereklamo siya, ang laki ng bill niya. Sabi niya, for the past 3 months, nasa 7,000 yata. So sabi ko, magpakabit ka na ng solar. Ito lang yung cost mo, ito yung upfront cost mo. So sabi niya, she will going to think about it.
Okay. Oh, sir, thank you so much for promoting Solana for you also. And that's all for today, sir. Thank you for answering those questions. And I hope and surely know that your story will truly inspire other people to switch in solar. And again, sir, thank you and congratulations for your solar
maraming
big savings.
Maraming ring salamat sa Solana for you. No? Without you, medyo pagka-brownout, nagtitiis pa rin ako. So, to all viewers out there, sagot sa brownout, Solana for you.
Solana for you.